Here's a creepy fact. Sometimes your brain wakes you up just seconds before a loud sound happens. An alarm, a door slam, thunder. Your brain constantly predicts the future based on patterns and past experience, and when it senses that something loud is coming, it wakes you up early to protect you. You didn't wake up by accident. Your brain knew.